I'm Ro, your Wholesome Beauty Expert here at Lemon Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our natural body mist, Sweet Talk. So one of my favorite things when it comes to beauties is body sprays and things that make me smell good. So I am super excited to announce our Sweet Talk is back. This is a mix of strawberry, coconut, pineapple, and aloe all mixed into one milky, creamy formula that's really hydrating for your hair, skin, and body. So we've all been there. We've been to our favorite bath and fragrance scented stores that smell heavenly when you walk in. By the time you walk out, you have a headache. One of the biggest issues I have with body mist on the market, they're filled with a lot of artificial fragrances and scents that cause headaches, migraines, and numerous things. And quite frankly, they're just unhealthy for your skin, body, and your mind. So of course, being a natural beauty brand, we wanted to bring the same fun, nostalgic scents to you, but in the most healthiest way. And in our boxes, they come in these cute 2-ounce mini sprays, perfect for on the go, or you can place it on your vanity, perfect for everyday use as well. Give her a little spritz, and you're ready to go. Thank you for shopping Lemon Beauty, your perspectives inside.